G'day friends, Andy here, and I'd like to talk a bit about noisy guitars today. Noisy guitars. I hate them, everyone hates them. And what causes it and what can you do about it? Okay, what causes it? Electromagnetic interference is part of it, I guess, and that can be mitigated somewhat. Okay, here I have a humbucker loaded guitar. Humbuckers were invented to mitigate noise. They buck the hum. Okay, so if you can hear my amp, it's generating some noise, some hiss at the moment, which is not a good thing. Okay, so we've got humbucker. Single coil. Single coil, humbucker. Single coil, humbucker. Well, what can we do about it? There's a couple of things. You can shield the guitar with paint or copper tape, which I've done in a previous video, which will be in the description. I tried it on this guitar. I put copper tape on the back. I can't put it on the inside because it's a hollow body, and it didn't really do anything, I've got to admit. But it did on the guitar in the description. I really recommend giving it a look. But I've come across something recently. I'm going to rebuild a Squier Stratocaster that I have, and there's an interesting thing that I found. So if I grab an aluminum in some parts of the world pickguard, what's that going to do? It might shield my guitar. So once again, turn it up, single coil. Horrendous noise. I'm putting the pickguard near it, not even on it, not touching. And there you go. It reduces electromagnetic interference, I imagine. Another thing that I'm going to do when I rebuild my Squier, which is him here. So that is going to go like so, and I'm going to paint it as well. Another thing that I will do is, I reach over here, Fender hot noiseless pickups. So I'm going to have a strap with an aluminium pickguard with Fender hot noiseless pickups. It should sound mostly straighty. It should sound pretty good, and most of all, I hope it sounds quiet. That would be fantastic. Yeah, just turn the amp off. You can hear the noise of that amp. I'm going to get a different amp. Who invented an amp with a fan in it? Got on your Marshall. Anyway, so that's one of the ways, or a couple of ways, to get rid of the hum. Humbuckers, noiseless pickups, shielding with copper tape inside a guitar, or an aluminium pickguard. Remains to be seen how it all sounds, but let's hope it sounds good. Anyway, have a good day. Subscribe for more videos, and subscribe especially for me rebuilding that guitar into a noiseless Stratocaster wonder.